Good morning, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying at home. Dear children, in the last class, we discussed about the introduction of the graphs along with that is exercise problems also, and the second exercise problems is the double linear graph also we discussed it. Okay, and in this class, we should be discussing about the some of the application problems on the introduction to graphs. Okay, Ajit can ride a scooter. Okay, one person is riding the scooter constantly at a speed of the 30 km per hour. Yes. So how much speed is going to children? 30 km per 1 hour is moving now. Okay. So then it's a constant speed is not is it rising the bike is going at same speed. Yes. Then after this draw the time distance graph. Okay. Time and distance. So time will become 1 hour. How much distance is moving children? 30 kilometers distance is moving now. Yes or no children? So then for this both you want to draw the graph for this situation. Yes. Next use it to find the graph value. Yes. From the graph value we want to be find that is first question is the time taken by Ajit to ride 75 kilometers. Means is if he travels 75 kilometers in the scooter, yes, how much time is taken? That value we should find from the graph. Okay, so that is our first question. And second question is the distance covered by Ajit in 3.5 hours. Okay, if we travel at 3.5 hours time, okay, then how much distance it can be reached? Yes, so that we have to be finding from graph only. Yes, to find this both will become first we have to be draw the graph. Yes. So what is given the conditions line? Okay, solution 1 kilometer it means is 1 hour it will be travel that means is how much distance is moving to line? 30 kilometers the distance is moving now. Yes. So like it will become when time will become 2 kilometers is okay 2 hours then that is 2 into 30 means is 60 kilometers you will be traveling now. Yes. If it travel that is 3 hours. Yes. 3 hours. So then that is 3 into 30 we should get is equals to 90 kilometers. Yes. So I am taking the 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it will take the 5 hours is okay. 5 hours it will be travel means is 5 into 30 means is 5 3 is 8 50 means is 150 kilometers it will be reached. Okay. So next I am taking as a even that 10 hours also I am taking now. Yes. So 10 hours we are taking that means is 10 into 30. Yes. How much you should be getting line? 300 kilometers you will be traveling. Okay. So now here is time and distance. Means the time you should be taking on the x-axis and while taking the 10 hours student how much are getting the children? 10 into 30 will become 300 kilometers we are getting now. Yes. So then when you are taking the time will become that on the x-axis and distance will become that y-axis. Okay. So then that graph we should be getting now. Yes. Then we should go for the graph in that is okay. So now hours it means the time we are taking on the x-axis and distance we are taking on the y-axis no children. Okay. So now time I am taking here now. Yes. And distance. Distance I am taking here now. Yes. So then when you are taking as a time and distance will become on the scale. How much want to take this line? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours is there. Yes or no children? Okay. So if you take on x-axis is a 1 centimeter equals to 1 hour. Okay. Yes. 1 centimeter equals to 1 hour I am taking now. Yes. So as well as distance will become 30, 60, 90, 150, 300 means is it is a 30 type values we are getting in children. 30 is distance we are getting now. Yes. So then will become is 30 kilometers. Yes. So then after taking the 30 kilometers will become yes. So the values we want to be represented here now. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes. So next, after this becomes on y-axis we are taking as a 1 centimeter equals to 30 kilometers. Yes. So then first one will become 30, 60, 90, 120, next 150, next 180, next 210, 240, 270, next is 300. Yes? So then will become says this is a y axis. Yes. So now first one is 1 hour. How much taking the distance between children? 30 kilometers is. Okay. So 1 hour will become says time is 30 kilometers. Next 2 hours. How much is children? 60 kilometers. So 2 hours will become says 60 kilometers. Next 3 hours is. Yes. 3 hours how much is children? 90 kilometers. 3 hours 90. Yes. So 90 how to take it now? Next, after becomes is 5 hours. 5 hours is how much children? 150 kilometers. Okay, 5 hours, 150 kilometers. Yes, so 150 here is there now. Yes, then we'll take is it 5 hours will become 6. We are getting here now. Yes, then after will becomes 10 hours. 10 hours is how much children? 300 kilometers. Okay, 10 hours here is now 10 will become 300. Yes. So when taking the straight line that is S, we should be get 10 will become 6 here now. Yes. So this is a plotting the values on the graph. Okay. Then afterwards you have to take the scale and you have to be join that is. Okay. So while joining that will become 6, you will be get as a one straight line. Yes, so like this straight line will be get, then after 6. Okay, after drawing the values will become 6. What is our first question children? Yes, first question will become 6. Yes, so the time taken by Ajit to ride 75 kilometers. Okay, 75 kilometers we have to take it now. Where is the 75 kilometers children? 60 and 90. Yes, so 60 and 90 will become 30 difference now. Yes, so 30 that is a half will become 15 no children. So means is 60 plus 15 will become 75. That is the fifth line we should be get. Okay. Yes, so while taking that values will become now. Take the scale and you have to be draw the straight line. Then we will get will be intersect here now on that line. Then you have to be draw it on x-axis also. Yes. So how much are we taking children? So fifth line we should be get exactly. Yes. So our first one answer is yes. First one answer is that what we should be get children? 2.5 hours. Okay. Next, second one. What is second one children? The distance covered by Ajit is in 3.5 hours. Okay, 3.5 hours. See the children, 3.5 hours is 3 and 4 will become the fifth line now. Yes, fifth line when you are taking it will become 6. Now take the scale and you have to draw the line like that will become 6. Yes, so then 3.5 hours is 3, 36 is 90 and 15 will become 105. We should be get exactly here. S. S. So how much are we taking here is fifth line. Fifth line makes is 90 and 120 will become say middle will become is a 15 is it. Means is 90 plus 15 is 105 kilometers. Okay. So now second one solution will become is that how much we should be get means is 105 kilometers. Yes. They actually understand no? I hope you are all understood about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact to me. And what you are sending the homework or the class will must you have to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me. Thank you. Jai Shri.